Okay, let's style some our head brand and the heading style that we have set here, heading style and heading style. So its color and Navbar background to look like it's exactly this same one that we have seen. And okay, and let's open our style.css. We have just created our style.css, and the first one is class heading style or head style, head style, and let's set the background uh, pound sign or hash sign 272 B2F and set it to important. So okay, let's check. So we have a now background. Okay. Mm, class heading style, and we have a color of heading style. Color will be white, or we can use FFF. This is also important. It will not inheriting or overwriting. And mm, it's not getting. Let me make it white. Heading style. Okay, heading. We have a heading style. Find heading style. Okay, heading style. When we hover it, so its color become red and important. Okay, drop down. Drop down focus. When we focus our drop down, so it is in profile logout. So its background color will be hash 272 B2F, and also important. And drop down border is border 0 important. Okay, and in Navbar, let's set our brand. We have not given a class to our anchor tag here, and let's class is a Navbar brand and heading style. Refresh. So we have set our brand. Okay, we have I think something wrong with the. It's not getting style red heading style hover red and red. There is an issue. Red. Let's see. So when we hover, so we are getting red color here. Okay, and in a nav bar, it's not getting color white. So head style, and we have a heading style. Heading style. Save it. So we have a white, and we when hover it, it will become red. Okay, let's add class heading style. So we copy it and paste in our anchor tag. Okay. So we have getting our style. So it's a brand. When we hover it, and its color will be changed to red. Okay, this is nice. So more or less we have completed our Navbar. So some changes will be required that we will do when it is required. Till that, take care.